everyone and welcome back to Studio 64. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you 10 more ways to customize your LEGO clone troopers. By the way, if you're new around here and you haven't subscribed, then do make sure to subscribe. We've only got 10% of people who have actually subscribed, and I've said subscribed way too much. So number one, turning your clone troopers into clone commanders. So this is just a really awesome way to kind of like spice up your clone army. If you have loads of plain ones, you can just paint them up into a clone commander. So this is Commander Pons from the Battle of Geonosis, and I think this looks really awesome, and I will be selling this guy and a couple other figs from this video on my eBay soon, and I'll make sure to put it in a community tab so you guys can buy those figs if you would like to. Number two, a Karma, or custom Karma with the belt. Didn't I put this in the last video? Number three, don't have a plan and just paint on random patterns until it looks nice. So that's basically what I did to this figure, and it actually turned out really cool. I especially like this almost like leaf pattern at the top of the helmet, and I think like sometimes you just gotta let the creative juices flow. Number four is to remove the printing off your 501st troopers. So I don't actually have a plain one, but this is my Commander Grey without the pauldron on. But as you can see, there's still a tiny bit of blue there, but I have removed most of that printing, and it's a great way if you want to make some customs. Number five is to use a paint marker and draw onto a clone. And yeah, it didn't really work that well, and also I used some brown pencil on the legs, which is quite interesting. But yeah, I probably wouldn't recommend this, but I mean, it is a method of customizing clones, so I guess that's why it's in the video. Number six is custom clone commando backpacks. Yeah, add hair to your clone troopers. So I think this is just a nice way to give them some different looks when they take their helmets off. I think this looks even nicer, to be honest. Number 8, if you have these old Phase 2 clone helmets, or even the old Phase 1 helmets, you can just change the colour of the head to make the visor a different colour. So yeah, that's a really awesome, simple way to make your clones look a bit different, and yeah, it looks pretty nice. Number 9, Purist custom clones. So this is kind of a 3/32 2/12 mix, and I think that just looks really cool. I've definitely seen it done before, but I just think it looks really nice. And last but not least, painting on custom legs. So a lot of the old clones don't have any leg printing at all, so if you have any of those, you can just update it by painting on some nice leg patterns. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.